Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead, and if you are using Android phone, go ahead and open up your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. In this tutorial, I'm using Android phone, so I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, click on search, then go ahead and click on here and type in Spotify. Click on search, then take you right here. Go ahead and click on here. Then you have the data about the app. Swipe this way. As at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus are using this app to stream music and podcast. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on install. After successful installation, click on open. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on sign up free. Go ahead and click on continue with Google. Proceed with your Google account. Go ahead and set your date of birth. Then click on next. What is your gender? Select your gender. What is your name? I will prefer not to receive marketing messages from Spotify. Share my registration data with Spotify content provider for marketing purpose. So if you want any of these, click on here to check. If you don't want them, click on here to create an account. Go ahead and click on turn on notification right here. Click on allow. Now you are done. You have your Spotify account. Now you are here. Choose at least 3 or more artists you like. So from the options right here, you can go ahead and choose at least 3 artists you like. Then go ahead and click on done. We have made a playlist to get you started. You can click on start listing. I'm going to click on not now. Now you are here. Your Spotify account has been fully set up. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.